Hi, I'm attorney Gregory Dell, and today's disability benefit tip is about when or if you should apply for Social Security disability benefits while also seeking long-term disability insurance claims under either your group employer provided policy or an individual disability policy. Alex, this issue of, first of all, are you required under a group disability policy to apply for Social Security disability?
I mean, one thing you're going to see, if you get approved for your long-term disability insurance benefit, the first thing they're going to do is ask you, have you applied for Social Security disability benefits? And if not, they're going to ask you to start applying now. And the reason why they're doing this, because unfortunately, I'd probably say 99.9% of the group disability insurance policies allow them to offset or reduce the amount of money they have to pay you by the amount of money that you or your dependents receive from Social Security disability. Now, the policies do state, they don't state that you have to apply, but they state if you don't apply, then they're going to offset the estimated amount. And there's ways you can estimate what somebody's Social Security disability would be, take into account their earnings history and whatnot. So if you don't apply, they are going to estimate what your benefit might be and then reduce your benefit by that estimate. Now there's ways of getting around that. I mean, you don't have to apply immediately. If you do apply immediately, any benefit that you receive from Social Security is essentially going to go right back to the insurance company immediately. And especially if your long-term disability claim is not approved yet, and for whatever reason you don't want to apply for Social Security, if long-term disability is not approved yet, there's no reason to force yourself to immediately apply, because sometimes you may want to delay. Maybe there's more medical proof you want to get your hands on before you submit for Social Security disability or whatnot. But for the most part, it's totally up to you, but if you don't apply, they could potentially offset your estimated benefit.
And you said that, you mentioned earlier that the money they get from Social Security disability is going to go back to the disability company. Can you explain what you meant by that?
So traditionally, long-term disability will give you an answer within a couple of months. If we represent you, we'll hopefully get your application in as soon as possible, get the proof in as soon as possible, get a decision, and hopefully a positive decision from the insurance company within a couple of months. Social Security is notoriously slow. I mean, most people, the great majority, apply for benefits and get denied, have to go through a lengthy appellate process, and some people don't get approved until they go in front of an administrative law judge, and that could take a year and a half, 2 years down the road. But eventually you're going to get approved for Social Security disability if you are disabled. By the time you get approved, the insurance company's probably been paying you the gross monthly benefit, the 60% or 75% of your prior monthly earnings. And at that certain point, they're going to say, if you get approved for Social Security, they're going to say, wait a minute, Social Security's been paying you, is now paying you for the past 2 years or so, and we've been paying you for the past 2 years the gross monthly benefit, but that's been an offset. So instead of paying you $6,000 a month, we should have been paying you $3,000 a month, and now you owe us the $3,000 a month for the last 24 months. Send us a check for whatever that comes out to, $68,000, whatever it comes out to. So you're going to owe them a large sum of money once you're Social Security. In most cases, you're going to owe them a large sum of money once you get approved for Social Security disability benefit.
And then moving forward, if you had $6,000 a month and you get $3,000 from Social Security, then they're only going to pay you $3,000 a month from the disability insurance company.
Exactly.
But the claimant net's the same. It's $3 from Social Security, $3 from the disability company, and then...
I mean, one good thing is they net the same, but it kind of spreads your risk, because one or the other could deny your claim at any time. So as long as you're getting benefits from the long-term disability or benefits from Social Security, it does kind of spread your risk around. So there is some benefits to applying as well.
So I think the issue we'd love to talk to a potential claimant about is, there is a requirement to file for Social Security disability, but the question is, when do you do it and the timing? And those are issues that should be strategically decided. More often than not, I tend to lean towards doing it as late as possible or waiting until the disability company tells you. But again, those are strategies based upon who the company is, the type of case you have, so many factors. Do you think your claim is going to be approved? Do you need Medicare? How long do you think you're going to be out of work? There's so many factors going on there that it's a case-by-case analysis. So if you have a long-term disability insurance claim and need any help whatsoever with your disability claim at any stage of the claim, feel free to contact Alex, myself, or any of our disability lawyers. Our process is really simple. We provide you with an immediate free consultation and let you know immediately if we can help you. We also welcome you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you can get regular updates about these types of videos, of which we've done hundreds of these, so that you can always be educated and up to date about the latest tips and information on long-term disability insurance claims. Because the reality is, the better educated you are about the disability claim process, the better position you're going to be in to secure benefits for the future. So if we can help you to protect your benefits, we'd love the opportunity to discuss your claim with you.